Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the pan roller axle in a KitchenAid refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a couple of small flat blade screwdrivers. When you open out the package, you're going to get a new pan roller axle. There are two roller axles used for each pan. They are mounted at the rear of the pan, supporting the rollers. The main reason to replace the pan roller axle is if it's broken and does not allow the roller to rotate, but rather jams the pan. To get to the part, we need to open the door. To remove the snack pan, we're going to pull it straight out till it stops, then lift it up and pull out completely. All right, let's put this pan on the table so we can remove the axle. Right there, that's the axle. So the axle is held in place with the two little clips here, tabs. I'm going to use this two small flat blade screwdrivers, and I'm going to press them in and press that axle out. It flies away, but that's how it's supposed to be. This is the old pan roller axle next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. All right, now I'm going to install the new axle. I'm going to bring in the roller, slide it through, and then final push. And I'm going to lift up the pan and put it back into the fridge. All right, we're going to slide in a snack pan. Put it on the rails, lift up the front end and push it in. And now we can close the door. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.